Hello guys, in today's video I will show you how you can use Todoist. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. First, go to your browser and search for Todoist. I'll leave this link in the description down below. Then click on the first option. Then click on Start for Free. Click on Continue with Google. Click on your Google account. Click on Continue. Now type your name here, and if you want to use Todoist with a team, turn on this option. Then click on Continue. Then answer this question. Then click on Launch Todoist. Now to create a new project, click on this plus icon and click on Add Project. Name your project. Choose a color and choose a workspace. You can add a parent project. Then choose a layout. Click on Add. Now you can add as many tasks you want. You can add a deadline for any task by clicking these three dots. Click on this icon. Then you can add any deadline, and also you can add a time. Click on Save. Now to add any section, click on this text, then name your section and click on Add Section. Now you can also add a new task. When you complete your task, just simply click on this circle and it will automatically sort it as a completed task. If you want to see your task for today, click on Today, and you can also check your upcoming tasks on this section. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.